I think your fashion is hit and miss, the both of you.
Some dresses that she wears are like extremely chic and pretty, and some of them are sort of outlandish with like big frills and all.
So I don't think dressing and fashion should be used in that kind of segment.
When I make it, this is the way I'm going to dress.
थोड़ा सा disaster type का एक हुआ था मेरे साथ.
Hi, I'm Bhushan Tripathi.
Hi, I'm Nushada Balsara.
Hey, I'm Nemo Chakraborty.
And this is the Three Amigos podcast.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Three Desi Amigos podcast. Well, today is a very super special episode because for you, we don't have one, but we have two very special guests who have taken out time and who are very excited to be in the podcast today. So, of course, you know my dear co hosts, Bhushan and Nushazar, and they're giving you a wave right now. But besides us, there are two, as I mentioned, two very special guests. So, before we go any further, let's welcome Maddie Madalsa Sharma, my wife, and my younger brother, Namushi Chakrabarti. Hey guys, welcome to the podcast.
Hello.
Hello. How does it feel to be here on the Three Desi Amigos podcast?
It feels great and I'm very excited. आप लोग के मैंने सारे videos देखे हैं. I've watched all your podcasts and I think since you guys have started doing the video thing, it's so much better, so much more relatable. So I'm very excited.
Chalo, thank you so much. Thank you. And what about you, Namushi? How do you feel being here?
I love this podcast. I love all the three of you, and Maddie is also here. And also, guys, there is a certain news that I have to share. This is my
Please.
first ever group podcast.
Oh wow!
Mine
So-
too.
Wow.
So there you
Mine
go.
too.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Superb.
That makes us very happy. Thank you.
Bhushan,
Thank you.
Bhushan bhai, Virgos United.
Absolutely.
Virgos United. Yes, that's there. So, Maddie and Namushi, this is something which we do in the podcast every
Mm.
time. Since you mentioned video podcast, this is something that we always start with. It's called the T-shirt game. So, what happens is I ask my dear co-hosts what T-shirt they are wearing, and they give a little bit of description of that. So,
And-
since you guys are come to the podcast, I would like you both to ask Nushazar and Bhushan what are they wearing, and they will explain it to you.
Okay. So Bhushan bhai, what exactly are you wearing? What t-shirt?
So I am wearing a Donald Duck t-shirt. It says, this is my happy face, and you can see the face.
Absolutely.
Grumpy.
Grumpy
Yeah.
face.
So this is the face that Mimo had before we started. So this one is for you, bhai.
Thank you. I
I
love you
wanted
too.
to comment, but I did not.
I love you too. I
nice.
love you too. Yeah. And Maddie, you can ask Nushazar. I'm telling you
Uh,
what his answer is, but you should ask him.
No, I know this already. See, मैंने अपना homework किया हुआ है. मैं जानती
Okay.
हूँ कि नुशाजर का ये standard look है which she maintains for every video
Exactly.
podcast.
Exactly.
So he loves wearing his grey tee जो
Yes.
उसने maintain किया है अपनी brand identity बनाई है.
Yes.
So I want to ask you why. Why do you like to wear this grey t-shirt of yours for every
So-
video podcast?
In like being related to the topic, my fashion particularly is timeless.
Oh wow.
Timeless.
No. Nushazar, your fashion is not timeless. It is stuck. It is stuck in time. You don't evolve.
Totally fine.
Timeless.
No. You don't evolve. This is the only resolution of
There is
fashion
nothing
you know.
left to evolve. It is perfection.
Acha,
He
wow.
reached the ultimate.
Ultimate.
Ah. No. Love, according to him, he has reached, only according to him. Guys, I need to tell you something. Namushi and Maddie. Bhushan and me know this. Nushaza doesn't know, but he kind of suffers from delusionism. He thinks, he creates
ये
these things.
podcast के बाद ही हुआ है तुम exposure. Being
Oh.
exposed to you.
I don't know. Anyways, this is what happens in the podcast. I come with all this love, and this is what I get from them. Imagine.
Okay.
You know?
That's the candid, the best
Yes.
part of the podcast.
Yes. So let's go ahead. I'm very excited about today's episode. And as Nushazar mentioned, it's about fashion. And the reason I picked fashion as a topic is because I think fashion is very subjective to everyone. It's what they like to wear. It's, what they're feeling in that day. And of course, for me, My wife is the best fashion icon I know. She really knows how to dress up well and be presentable for every different occasion. And Namoshi, I remember during the promotions of his film Bad Boy,
I was just
he
going to say that.
exactly he went completely style MF. Like this guy was killing it with his designs.
Yeah.
So I thought that why not? Because Nushaza desperately needs fashion tips. Bhushan is good with the t-shirts because his t-shirts are always unique, and I don't have to tell about myself. I mean, like,
You
look at
are
me.
the fashion icon in the three
Icon,
Desi Amigos.
exactly.
Yeah.
Like,
That's right.
Abhi, see, I'm too humble. I will not say this. Abhi,
No,
tum
no,
log
I know
bol rahe
you
ho.
will not say it. That is why I'm saying it.
See now, like, look at this. This is green, and then this is green, and I mean, like, see, this is how a fashion icon thinks. But he
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
Yeah,
say it. He
it's
just
perfect.
shows
You
it.
have all the accessories in place. I mean, nobody. I mean, if you say कि अभी you're recording this podcast from Iceland, where it's so cold outside, and you're so warmly dressed, also I'll believe you. Maybe you are in Iceland.
See, that's
So
what
you,
I'm saying. Exactly.
you know,
That's what I bring to the table. I'm giving. See, you know what? I'm trying to save my two brothers from themselves, but उन लोग को realize ही नहीं हो रहा है. Eventually they will. Eventually. But this is what I want कि आप दोनों आओ, आप बताओ इन लोग को कि देखो मैं कितना बड़ा icon हूँ. Anyways, we'll talk about me later.
cute.
So,
he is not in Iceland. He is in my land, Mud
Yeah.
Island.
sorry for the crass humor. I'm very sorry. भाई लोग guest आए हैं.
You won't get it. It's a joke.
What is happening? आज पूरे मूड पे हो तुम दोनों. Full
It's a
on mood.
4v1 today. It's a 4v1 today.
I know. बस करो. Pelo. That is what is happening. हाँ. Anyways, this will continue throughout the episode. I know that. So the first question, of course, goes to our special guests, and then, of course, to Bhushan and Nushazar. Basic question: what is fashion according to you?
Namoshi?
According to me, fashion is how you wear it. Like, for example, I'm wearing a normal check shirt now. By the way, this is a part of my promotion. I'm very sharp that way. I have a short film coming up called Guest, and I've
Wow.
worn this shirt in that film. That's a Myron Movies production, our home production, me, Maddie, and Mimo's production. So मैं
Okay.
promotion भी कर रहा हूँ अपने look का. But I think fashion is how you can pull it off.
Mm.
Sometimes, like Nushadar said, you can be timeless or whatever. But in my case, I'm ahead of the time. So I don't know what time, but I'm ahead of the time. So I think fashion is how you pull it off, honestly.
True.
Correct.
Very well.
And Love, according to you?
Well, I think fashion for me is before anything external,
Okay.
it's I think being confident. Confidence pulls off everything. And of course, being comfortable in your own skin, and of course, whatever you wear externally, in dono ka mixture comes out to be as fashion, according to me. As long as you're comfortable wearing whatever you're wearing, you can just be a fashion, you can make a fashion statement out of it. So be comfortable. And if you're comfortable, you're automatically going to be confident. So that's what fashion is for me.
Lovely. And what about you two, my dear brothers?
Dear brothers.
Hmm.
So
Bolo?
for me, I think from a fashion.
got
Oh,
that.
he said the arts. Yeah, wow. Okay.
Arre.
So for me, I think fashion. I believe it is very overrated. I think anything that you wear that makes you feel comfortable. I think Maddie mentioned that. So I think just wear what you feel. Rather than making a statement to outside, it's a statement to yourself. That this is who I am. So that's what fashion is for me.
Fair enough. And what about you, Shazar?
Well, I agree with Bhushan and Maddie completely. Ki, like, whatever I feel comfortable wearing, like,
Mm.
not just ki, like, is it okay to wear this wala? It's ki, whatever I feel comfortable in.
Hmm.
Like t-shirt, shorts, ideal for me. If I can prioritize comfort wherever I'm going, I will prioritize it. वैसा है.
Like,
So it's just कपड़े है यार.
yeah.
Fair enough. No, because see, fashion is something as the viewers know now that our podcast is about things which are in common. But when we speak about them, we realize that we don't have those things in common. Like everyone is an individual, correct? That's what this podcast is all about. So again, coming back to the next question, of course,
No.
that's
Our
what?
fashion icon has to answer.
Exactly.
What is
me.
Of
fashion for you?
course.
Okay.
Please,
Well,
grace us.
Tell
well,
us your version.
well, see, fashion is something which is what you feel inside. Like right now, I am wearing this amazing, look which I'm carrying for the podcast. But I might be wearing jeans, I might be wearing shorts, I might be wearing Bermudas. You don't know. You see, that's the trick. It's what you are showcasing outside because you feel inside. Like how Nushaza, like he's like t-shirt and chaddi. I know he will wear t-shirt and chaddi. Uska mujhe pata hai. You know what I mean? Namushika, I know he wears tracksuits at home. Maddie is always fashionable. She knows exactly what to wear when. Bhushan Kai, he loves his t-shirt. Me, I'm a mixture. I'm like a chameleon. I'm like
Oh,
that. I'm like that. वो
Hmm.
जो हिंदी में क्या बोलते?
It's on
Mati.
theme with the
हर एक रंग
camouflage
में
you're
ढल
wearing.
जाना.
हाँ नहीं उसको
Girgit,
क्या
girgit.
गिरगिट
Girgit.
यस आई एम
Girgit.
लाइक दैट कि मैं किधर भी जाऊँ आई मर्ज
गिर
हाँ I'm like you don't even know but I'm there. I'm like a ninja. I'm the ninja of fashion. So that's what fashion is to me, that you like very smoothly enter and
Ninja
then
और
you steal
fashion
the show.
पहली बार मैंने ये दो वर्ड
Yeah,
साथ में
but
सुने
our,
अपनी
our
पूरी लाइफ
ninja is
में.
not known to destroy stuff. So are you saying that you destroy fashion?
नहीं I'm like the smooth MF. Like I just enter the room and wow, क्या था वो? Like what happened?
But you
What did we
said
just
कि you
see?
camouflage, so then when you enter a room, no one will know you're there.
Correct.
How are you
Exactly.
contradicting yourself so much today?
Fair
It's
point.
like
Okay.
drag.
Oh
It's
no.
like drags eating that I'm invisible.
You'll
No.
have to
You
come up with a
remember that
comeback
scene?
now.
Jesus Lord, yeah. No. क्या यार तुम लोग नहीं बोला we should bring in guests and this was your plan from the get go. Okay, I get it.
Oh, he cracked it. Nujazar.
Like it wasn't obvious.
I'm enjoying this banter.
I know. She's enjoying the roast. Thank you so much. Yeah. Anyways, coming back to the next question, of course. So we spoke about what is fashion for all of you. Okay. What is your favorite color when it comes to fashion? Like everybody has their distinguished color. For me, of course, it's black. Always
Yeah.
it's been black. What about you guys? And why is that your favorite color? Namoshi, you go first.
I think black for me as well. I think it's a very attractive color
Okay.
and it really has a personality. I think black is one color that has a personality, I would say.
Fair enough. Okay. What about you, Love?
Black again. I mean, black is one color I'm very comfortable. And black क्या है कि you can mix match it with any other color. You can use more colors on black. If you're wearing another color, if you're wearing something which is maybe red, for example, or if you're wearing pink or if you're wearing green, it becomes a little difficult to match other colors along with it. But black is like the most effortless color. You can add in more colors with it. You can accessorize it. You can make it look over the top if you want to. So black is a safe color like that. So I go with black all time.
Fair enough. And what about you guys?
So my favorite combination to wear is like light blue or dark blue shirt, whatever,
Take care.
and brown pants. Any like
Okay.
khaki or those corduroy ke brown pants aate hain, I love wearing
Mhm.
those. That is my
Right.
favorite combo
अरे वाह.
अरे वाह.
because it looks
Chalo.
very
Great.
nice on me. So I like that's like if I have to go out somewhere. I think I wore it
Hmm.
at one of your parties also. If I'm
Maybe,
not
maybe.
mistaken.
Maybe.
I think I have.
Nice.
Yeah.
So that
What
is my
about you,
favorite
Bhushan?
go-to wear, sir.
Nice.
Sorted.
Good. Bhushan?
So for me, I think so there are two aspects. Okay, one more from a corporate standpoint, it is white.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Hmm.
Like
Okay.
you have to make a statement. You have to be at an important place. It's white. Simple
Okay.
as
White is always
a white
elegant.
a white shirt and a black trouser. That
Okay.
cuts completely.
Okay.
But my personal favorite, if I'm out, it would be a black t-shirt or a navy blue t-shirt and my blue jeans.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
nothing tops it.
Yeah.
Nice.
But if you have to ask me about a color, but I have these two shirts which are purple, okay, and
Hmm.
I love the purple color, okay.
Yeah.
For some reason, it is even the one that's flashing on the screen.
Hmm.
I just
Yeah.
love the color. Love the
Hmm.
color.
Nice. Good. Just for the record, I hope you guys know because see, I am the all-knowing and the all-knowledgeable here. Black is actually not a color. What happened, Ushaza? What happened? I'm giving you advice, na? Advice there, Ome.
Black is not a color.
Yeah, black is
Yeah, black is
actually
the absence of
it's
color.
the absence
Le
of
bol
color,
rahe.
and white is the merging of all colors. That's what it is. So even Jill Tai started barking. Hearing
Yeah.
Yeah,
this.
even Jill disagrees.
She's saying
Like this is too much information.
Thank you. Okay, now, of course, the next question. This is for Maddie and Namoshi.
No. What about you? Your
What
I said
video.
no black.
Yeah, he
I
always
started-
does
Black
this.
तो
अच्छा,
बोला
oh,
ना.
okay, okay.
See,
Yeah.
I
You
always
said,
come
ah,
up.
you said black.
Love
Okay.
क्या होता है? I always come up with the questions because I know the answers, and then मुझे सुन के इन लोग अपने answers निकालते हैं.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
इन्होंने
To
क्या
lay the
था?
foundation.
क्या
Nushaz,
हुआ?
we didn't know that, did we?
I'm telling you all now. क्या हुआ था? एक सपना आया
We
था
love
मुझे.
you.
हाँ
उस
हाँ.
हाँ.
सपने में नुशाजा ने
yes.
आके मुझे कान में कहा, भाई लीड करो हमें. And since then this podcast has started.
Then you become the leader of the whole pack since
It's
then.
like they are forcing me to lead. अरे यार ठीक है भाई, मैं हूँ, क्या करूँ अभी मैं? So you know.
Can you
अरे
act out
screen
how
में
I said it?
पैर नहीं दिख रहे, नहीं तो मैं पैर छू लेता.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Oh.
क्या
Can you
क्या?
act out how I said it? Can you act out how
No,
I said
you should do it. You should do it.
it? Lead.
हाँ,
Yeah,
ऐसा-
yeah,
ऐसा.
exactly. That's how it happened in his dream.
बस ऐसा आके बोल दिया. मैं समझ गया कि this is
What about
what my
Bhushan?
calling.
Bhushan wasn't there क्या?
नहीं, Bhushan was smash. He was doing that. That was what he was doing. So my next question is to, of course, to our special guests, Namoshi and Maddie. Please, according to you, since you guys have also seen us in real life and we have met in parties and
Of
occasions.
course. Thanks
What-
for saying that out loud.
वाह. हाँ. So अभी आप भी join कर लो इन लोग को. हाँ. So what is your opinion of us three when it comes to fashion? Let us ask that to you both.
The amigos,
The three amigos, the three Desi amigos. Let me add that.
the
Yes.
Desi amigos.
Yeah.
Well, I've not really met the Shazar much, but I've known, of
Hmm.
course, Bhai and Bhushan. I think your fashion is hit and miss, the both of you.
Wow, really?
Yeah, it's hit and miss.
So I am the hit, he's the miss. Correct?
Oh.
I
No,
knew
I think
it.
you both.
That's a good one.
I know it.
I'll still take it.
So what was Namoshi saying? Bhushan is a miss and I'm a hit. Yeah? क्या
You
बोल रहे
both
थे?
are hit and miss at times.
Hit and miss at times.
Yeah, because I
Ach.
think Bhushan Bhai, I remember, has been a huge fan of WWE.
Yes.
And I've
Yeah.
usually seen him wear clothes like t-shirts of, all those heroes
John
he grew up
Cena.
on. No, that's
Correct.
Mimo. Bhushan would be Triple H and DX
Yes.
and
Yes.
that era. So he's very WWE. I think Mimo's is more superheroes like Punisher
Yes.
and of course then John Cena and these people. So yeah, it is more,
Yes.
it's very boyish, Like even I
And-
used to wear HBK and the Rock
Oh.
t-shirts all my childhood. So I don't know about Nishazir or Maddie. But we were huge fans of WWE.
अरे me too.
You
पूरा
too.
बचपन निकला है मेरा यार.
Correct.
So there you go, one more fan.
तो वही.
हाँ.
अच्छा, so we are hit and miss. Okay. And Maddie,
No,
according
no,
to
no,
you?
no. You are hit. I am missed. Okay.
हाँ, of
I'm
course.
taking it. Yeah.
Of course. वो जितना भी वो बोले वही सच है भाई. वही है सच. Yeah. Continue.
I take
हाँ, please. हाँ, तो
I think the three of you blend in very well according to your personalities.
okay.
Because again, like we started the entire conversation saying कि fashion, it means different, it's a very individual kind of a thing. हम सबका अलग point of view है when it comes to fashion and comfort and how we like to dress up and what kind of a statement we want to put out there.
Correct.
तो आप
correct.
तीनों का बड़ा एक अपने हिसाब से अपने point of view से जो fashion makes sense, that's how you guys dress up. And you'll blend in very well because everybody has a different style.
Correct.
Like you have, like Hubby, you like wearing accessories, you like wearing the glasses, you like wearing a cap, you like wearing this baklava.
Yeah.
Baklava. We
As-
call it the
as-
baklava
as-
on the podcast. We call it the baklava.
The baklava look.
Yeah.
You like wearing a jacket, you like wearing all those things.
Yes.
As far as Nushadar is concerned, he has this one image which is like one look, apna great tee,
One
simple,
t-shirt,
sorted.
one
Again, this makes a very good statement. Of course, you're comfortable in that, which is perfect for you. At the
Yeah.
other end, Bhushan, he has this beautiful, cute little prints that he likes to experiment with. And he, of course, does alag versions of his prints and everything. So, aap log apne hisab se in your place, you all are all perfect. And in this podcast, three of you, when you guys, I can see you guys together, I see different versions of fashion according to me.
No.
So, it's
You
not
see,
like aap
love,
log ek hi tarah ka kar rahe ho, I mean,
Love-
you all wear things according to your comfort.
correct. Love, you see two different versions of fashion. एक अटका है, एक बेचारा
नहीं,
अटक
वो
गया
भी
है.
अपने आप में एक
It is
अलग version है.
time. Like I said,
Timeless,
it's perfection.
वो
Can't
घड़ी अटक गई है
improve
ना.
on it only.
The clock also strikes 12 twice a day.
नहीं,
तो उसको
Nushadar is
लगता है
very
वही है.
smart. He is trying to make his image कि अगर लोग उसको याद करेंगे तो इसी look में याद रखेंगे. Confused
अच्छा,
नहीं
अच्छा,
होंगे
अच्छा.
कि अरे यार ये पहना है वो पहना है, like I said, brand identity.
Correct.
Actually smart.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank
That
you.
is one way to look at it. Yes.
Superb. All right, now to my co-hosts. What do you think about our special guests' fashion? What do you think about them? Because as I said, Namoshi and Nushazar haven't met that much. But जो भी एक अगर एक knowledge हो, and Bhushan has met, of course, Namoshi and Maddie. तो आप लोग का क्या input है for our special guests today when it comes to their fashion sense, according to you?
So I follow Maddie on Instagram, no? So
Okay.
sometimes she puts up her posts and all. I think from some of her shoots that she does,
Correct.
where she's wearing all. I don't know how to describe it. Like some dresses that she wears are like extremely chic and pretty, and some of them are sort of outlandish with like big frills and all.
Correct.
So-
Correct.
So I don't think I've seen her dress like that in real life.
Okay.
I think those are just shoot related things. But in real life, when I've met her, she always dresses in how I would describe a very, as a cute way.
Correct.
Like that is what she does with like maybe hairband bows and all that.
Yes,
वो
yes. She
देखा है
likes
मैंने.
her bands. Yeah, she
Ah.
likes her bands.
So she always dresses
Nice.
like that. And
Yeah,
Namashi, I
superb.
think I've met twice. Once at his birthday and once at the Holika party.
Right.
So Holi mein to I can't really comment on.
Because we
But,
all were the
Holi में
colours.
तो yeah.
Everyone knows this. But at the party also, वो jeans and shirt he wore.
Yes.
Was this at mud?
No, not
No.
at mud. I
नहीं,
think
नहीं.
Juhu wala.
जो वाला
हाँ,
Whose
must
birthday?
be in, I don't know. I
He
don't know if
was.
it was a birthday or not. भूल गया क्या था.
It was your
But-
birthday only.
No, my birthday. I think it must be. I think last to last year.
Last year.
हाँ,
year.
2 years ago. I think.
Because this birthday it was not my birthday. It was Bhushan's
हाँ, हाँ.
birthday because he came and stole the show. जो होता
अरे,
है.
Oh,
अरे.
अच्छा the dance.
वो जो वो जाने जाना करता है ना. It is not my
वो-
birthday.
लेकिन-
Birthday तो उसका था.
jealousy वाला reaction नहीं है नहीं तो वो डाल देता मैं यहाँ.
मेरे
ठीक है.
भाई का बर्थडे था, मैं
हाँ,
खुश
तेरा
था,
बर्थडे था मेरा
दारू
नहीं.
नहीं पिया था.
हाँ, ठीक. Thank you. हाँ, then Bhushan, now you tell about Maddie and Namoshi.
So Namoshi I've known for much longer than Maddie,
Hmm.
and I think since growing up I've seen Namoshi carry off anything he wears in a way that he actually owns it. Okay,
Okay.
doesn't
Very
doesn't give an F about anybody who says anything. I will
Correct.
carry it. This is who I am. I
Correct.
think which is something that I've really admired about Namoshi always. And for Maddie, I tell you from a fashion sense standpoint, if it was 3 amigos and 1 senorita, then she would definitely be the fashion icon, not you.
वाह.
Yay,
Wow.
that is so cool.
मस्त
You
बोला
made
है,
my
मस्त
day.
मस्त
Nice.
बोला है भाई.
Nice.
क्या
nice.
बात है? How
क्या बात
cool
है?
is that?
वाह. Very nice. Very good. So नहीं मैं क्या सोच रहा था क्या 3 amigos and 1 senorita ऐसा कुछ
Yes.
बोल रहा था ना तू. हाँ.
बस
3 amigos and 1 senorita.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है वो स्पेशल गेस्ट है 3 amigos ही है. I am still the fashion icon.
Yeah,
Just-
you are.
Hypothetically.
You're
मैं
the
सिर्फ
Messiah.
मैं सिर्फ वो क्लियर I am the calling. I am the messiah. The noir जैसा Nushazan. He keeps sleeping whenever I give ज्ञान. बच्चा है सबसे youngest है तभी भी देखो noir में भी ऐसा हो रहा
How
है.
old are you,
हंसने लगता है.
Nishazir? How old are you?
24 yeah.
24. Wow, that was me, what,
Hmm.
5 years ago?
अरे nice. That was
Yeah.
Mimo how
Cool.
many?
You can't count.
About 25 maybe.
उल्टी कितनी करनी पड़ेगी भाई?
You know what? I can still, outlook you guys because, this age is like, I'm like wine, getting better with age.
And
हाँ,
wine
हाँ.
बोलने वाली थी. It's like you just took it
Well,
out of my
we
mouth.
think alike. Look. We
Connection,
think alike.
This is what
Hmm.
connection
Yeah,
is.
You can't beat the salt and pepper look. That I will agree. You
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
beat
Now
Look
it.
at
he's
that.
with the salt and
Look at
pepper.
that, man. Look at that. And it's not like I'm not even trying hard. हो ही रहा है. It's like
हो ही रहा है.
हो रहा है. Old and wise को बोलते हैं ना. Just
2 days
wise.
back, Mimo कह रहा था, I'm not
Old.
going to shave my beard off now. I was like,
हाँ.
never.
It's
Because I
like
have a few friends
it's
जिन्होंने
gonna grow.
बढ़ाई अभी यहाँ तक हो गई है. मैं बोला यार इतना you want to like grow it that much? He's like, no, I'll just see, I'll take it how it goes, but I don't want to shave it off for a
देखते
very
हैं ना.
long time.
देखो
So
shave
I think
करने में
it's
1 second
complementing
लगता
the
है. Exactly.
baklava.
The look. वैसे. So
Baklava.
Are you sure it is
Exactly.
old and wise and not old and cold?
Old.
cold. Where am I
Old
cold?
and cold.
Old and cold.
See, you guys see it, right?
क्या?
Cold because you're like
His
covered up.
humor has become crass.
Old and cold.
Like
मतलब
his
ठंडा
age, with
ठंडा
his age ना.
ठंडा हिंदी में बोल दो ठंडा.
I also got it wrong.
इसके उम्र के
I
साथ
would
ना.
just
बोलो,
say
बोलो.
old.
Okay. I would just say wise.
Oh.
I'll say
Mic drop.
graceful.
Yeah, exactly. I would just say wise. यही होता है, हम लोग कुछ बात नहीं करते इस पॉडकास्ट में, सिर्फ यही चलते रहता है कि सब इन लोग को बस गैंग अप करके मेरी खींचनी है, एंड बिकॉज आई एम वेरी फॉरगिविंग इन नेचर मैं छोड़ देता हूँ, आई गिव
Oh,
यू
You
oh.
are the
अपॉर्चुनिटी
fashion
इन एवरी
icon, bhai.
एपिसोड. क्या?
हाँ
We are the fashion icon. We look up to you. We love you.
अच्छा, थैंक यू. देखो नमोशी भी हंस रहा है. थैंक्स थैंक्स. एग्जैक्टली. नमोशी कैमरा से स्ट्रेट कर लो. हाँ. Okay, now tell me. I know, he was laughing. Thank you. Okay, so now coming back to the conversation, if I'm allowed to,
Yeah.
according to you, all four of you, what is the current state of fashion in the world, according to you? Like, and what advice would you give?
Fashion earlier used to be Govinda, and then it became Ranveer Singh, and now it's Urfi Javed. So she can wear anything, and sometimes she wears outrageous stuff, but at least it's not typical. I know it's
Something
box,
out of the box.
yeah, it's not subtle at all, but I like Urfi's style because it's not conventional.
Love, according to you, आपके हिसाब से, what is the current state of fashion in the world? Is it good or bad?
I think, see, again, everybody has a different perspective. And in India, I think fashion is very, it's taken very well because यहाँ पे ना we have so many different cultures, so many different cities, and a blend of all of that करके we come out with really good fashion sense. You know, we have a lot of styles to choose from. As far as other countries are concerned, तो बहुत ही outrageous and बहुत ही ज़्यादा loud and glamorous तरह का फैशन है जो कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है कि इंडिया में लोग अभी शुरू करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, एंड पीपल आर सक्सीडिंग आल्सो. That's each to their own kind of choice. But I feel sometimes fashion is also misused because if you want to say something out loud, for example, you want to make a statement or something. So instead of saying it out loud, you kind of use the way you dress up to kind of give out a statement, which I feel sometimes is in a good direction. Sometimes it's in a very unwanted direction. So also one doesn't need to always one doesn't have to dress up in a certain way to show कि नहीं, and this is me, this is my personality. Personality बहुत easily आ जाती है, लोगों को समझ में आ जाती है आपकी personality कैसे. You don't have to dress a certain way in order to show people what you're made of and what your values are, what kind of culture you have.
Correct.
Or like if you're a rebel, or if you want to dress up a certain way and you want to kind of instigate people, or you want to show people how forward now the culture here has become. So I don't think dressing and fashion should be used in that kind of segment. One should just be fashionable as per your own choice, and not just to make a statement and just to make it a headline.
Fair enough.
That's kind of misusing fashion, in my opinion.
Fair enough. And what about you two? My, supposedly, second and third fashion icons. Supposedly. What
Very
about
bad.
you guys?
why don't you say something Neo पहले
See, now
break
if I
break
say,
the flow थोड़ा
no, क्या होगा now? If I say ना, फिर people will just keep listening. So I don't want that. Today it's not about me. It's about our guests today. So let's focus on that. I'm sacrificing my portion of the content today. But you know what happens when I talk, you both listen, and when you listen, everybody listens. So let's not do that today.
he thinks
Continue.
we're listening
Jesus.
Very
हाँ,
optimistic.
I'm a believer, bro. I'm a believer. बताइए. बोलो. You guys say.
Bhushan go ahead
Nushad is still thinking. So for me, I
I
think
thought I'm-
fashion from a parlance of time,
Hmm.
I think fashion is just suited to its time. If you
Okay.
look at fashion evolve over the past 100 years or so, there's been a lot of change in the way we kept ourselves, right from hairstyles to accessories to the way we dress up. So it's all suited to the time. So to say that, at this point, maybe fashion is not right or good or bad, I think doesn't make sense, at least to me.
Hmm.
I feel that, fashion today is suited to its time. Fashion in the future is going to be very different.
Okay.
Fashion of the past, again, was suited to that time. So that is how I look at fashion, from a parlance of time.
Fair enough. Okay. And you, Nushaza? Since you are
I
from
feel
this
it's-
generation.
Like Nushazar is timeless. Look at him.
No, like because Nushaza is from this generation. What's this generation called? Gen Z. क्या है?
Gen
ये लोग
Z.
वही है ना?
Of
हाँ
course,
वही
Gen Z.
हाँ वही
He
हाँ
questions this every time. वो थोड़ा age के वजह से भूल रहे.
I am just not comfortable with this generation. But yeah, continue.
अच्छा अच्छा.
हाँ, बोलो
अरे
हाँ,
see,
according to you.
fashion is very cyclical, I feel, Like, let's take haircuts, for example, okay? Back in like the early 1900s, people used to have, those undercut hairstyles, but heavy on top and all the shaved. Okay? Then obviously you're in
The
the
Elvis
80s,
Presley
you're
look.
Elvis Presley was all slick back, lamba tha and all slick
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
And in the 80s, you had all your long hair, and then slowly again, when you got into like 2015, 2018, everyone is like, "Arey bhai, ye undercut fir se karna hai mujhe."
Correct.
So that way, fashion is very, very, cyclical. Something happens and then it comes back into fashion again, and the whole cycle repeats.
I've
But that
never
is
heard
just
of this word, by the way, cyclical. I have no idea what that means.
like it's a cycle.
Yeah, what
Cycle
goes
है
around come
Namushi.
around.
Namushi
comes
cycle
around.
का cyclical. That way.
Cyclical, okay.
Ah.
But I heard it for the first time, yeah.
He has some few words which are very good. That's why
Gen Z words.
he
Gen Z.
adds that glamour to the podcast with his selective words. So that's why he's there. So good. Continue, please. The
And they-
cyclicalness of the fashion. What is it?
The cyclical nature of fashion.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Great. Now, Namoshi mentioned, fashion icons. So he didn't mention Govinda. So now, of course, who are your fashion icons? Let's put that out there. All of you.
J-Lo.
J-Lo. Why J-Lo?
Because she just has so many different shades and so many different avatars of her, Har ek tarah mein she is like perfect in everything. She has all the best styles that she pulls off very gracefully, even at this age.
Correct. J-Lo. Great. What about you guys?
I said, I said who are my idols. I said Govinda, Ranveer Singh, and now Urfi.
No, but why Govinda? Why Chichi Bhaiya?
I think because we never really realized what he was wearing because he was such a great actor. But now in retrospect, when you watch it, because he was doing comedy films, he actually brought a certain character by wearing Atarangi stuff. But I think to pull it off, like Bhushan Bhai said, to pull it off is another skill. So I think going against the tide and wearing anything you want is what is fashion to me. So I think Govinda was quite the fashion icon.
Correct. He brought a different flavor to, I think, the fashion at that time. Huh?
Yeah.
What about
True.
you two?
So right now, I have no idea. I don't have as a fashion icon, but I see things on the internet. No, usme the most people that stand out the most are Lady Gaga and Zendaya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lady Gaga, though, anytime you see her at some award show, she's God knows wearing what.
Correct.
Like she'll make her hair into like a pottery exhibition or
Yeah,
कुछ ना
yeah,
कुछ
yeah.
तो होगा ही, हाँ,
God
of
knows what
course.
she does. ठीक है? But then
Correct.
stuff like it's fun to watch. And the thing is, like Namshi and Bhushan also said, she pulls it off.
Yeah.
She does it and she carries it with so much confidence. I don't think I will in a million years be able to do that. And Zendaya also, no, she every time she goes for a movie premiere, she'll wear themed costumes and go. Like for a Spider-Man thing, she had like this dress which was like all spiderwebby. And for Dune, she went dressed in that weird plastic silver,
Yeah.
and like, she went like female C3PO and all, like stuff like that is very interesting to see. कि, like kaise karte hain log.
Correct.
Yeah,
But otherwise,
Nushadar is now waiting for her to do a movie on the beach, I guess.
Good one. Sharma bhi gaya
You
देखो,
got it.
Sharma
You
bhi
got
gaya.
it. You
He's
got it.
blushing also. He's blushing also, Namushi.
I
मतलब
have
आप
no
उसके दिल की
reaction.
बात बोलिए.
I have nothing to say.
He's blushing.
It's out of left field. It's come must
Blindside. Yeah. And
completely.
what about Tripathi? Aap?
So for me, instead of one person, I think it is a character that I've always admired in terms of fashion sense. It is James Bond. Because I'm the Suits kind of guy, okay, and I'm watching Suits right now on Netflix, and for some reason it has always appealed to me so much,
Okay.
being in that suit, that getup, and I've always admired James Bond. I was like, when I make it, this is the way I'm going to dress.
Okay. Fair enough. For me,
And you?
it's been Dad. It's always been
Oh,
Dad.
I know.
Because
Yes.
Dad has always broken that traditional, fashion sense when it came to movies and his characters. So he always did something which was out of the box. So I
Mm,
liked
always.
the idea of him challenging the system and then making his own style. Like even today, when we travel in the auto, the auto rickshaw drivers, some of them who don't have side locks, that that's a dad's fan. Some of
Yeah.
them who still have the long head, that he's a dad's fan. So that
Yes.
iconism is still carried on today, and that is because of his own style. So I think that he's one of those people I would definitely want to be like when it comes to breaking the norm. But of course, in his era, things were different. In our era, it's very different now. Today, you can just walk in a mall in with a t-shirt and shorts and chappal, and it's cool. Maybe
True.
back then it wasn't, but today the things have changed. Today's become more
True.
relaxed because today with so much of exposure everywhere, people know exactly what you're doing when they see कि, okay, now she's at the mall or they're in an event or just going out for lunch or dinner, stuff like that. So that is
Right.
that. Next question. One character, according to you, in a movie or in a show, you would like to play because of the way they dress their clothes. Who and why? And this is a trick one because I thought
Who's
of it.
going first?
I'll go. You understood the question, right?
Of
A
course.
character in a movie or film who's so fashionable and like, oh wow, I want to play this character because they dress so well. Now, for
Yeah.
me, it's a TV show, okay, and it's actually very lazy because I'm the kind of guy who doesn't think so much when it comes to fashion. It's David Boreanaz from the show Angel, in which he plays a good vampire. So in that, he
Oh, I'll
only
have to
wears
check
black.
that out.
He only wears black, like black shirt, black trousers, and a black overcoat. That's all his in the entire show. In all the 5 seasons, he's only worn that. And for me, that's like the dream look. कि अगर
Wow.
मुझे ये पहनने को मिले, I'm very happy for the rest of my life. That
Wow.
is me. Now, what about you guys?
Batman.
Wow. No,
Yeah.
but good. Of course. Fine, Batman. No.
You get to
Bruce
wear the
Wayne or
bat suit.
Batman? Bruce Wayne or Batman?
The bat suit. सूट तो
bat
कोई
suit.
भी पहन लेगा, bat suit पहनना है.
अच्छा, क्यों why Batman?
Because you get to wear the bat suit.
Okay. So
Yeah.
according
Why
to you,
Bat-
that is fashionable.
हाँ, very.
Okay,
You walk
fair
into
enough.
a party, stand out.
Achha, so you are going to dress up as Batman into a party because for you that is fashion.
On your next birthday.
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं पार्टी रख रहा हूँ next birthday. कोई नहीं. तुम लोग तो हो ही नहीं.
Yeah, Comic Con. I think that's also.
Yeah. Comic Con. Of course. Definitely. Namoshi had the bat suit once. Remember?
I
She
Yes,
made
yes.
that. Yeah,
I remember
yeah.
the picture. I still have
Namoshi
it
had
in
a
my
proper
Bye.
bat suit.
I remember what cool
I'll
our
still say
photo.
this t-shirt is still dedicated to you. Yeah, I don't see the smile. You see what a treat.
No, I
He-
don't even.
He's
I don't
smiling from here, not from here.
look like that. No?
Like that. Exactly.
हंसो यही होता है.
Oh boy.
Thank you.
What was
Thank
the
you so much.
question again?
Okay.
That's the expression of our little fur babies when they're a little angry, but still they are wagging their tail होता है ना. Whether they're
Like
happy
वैसे
or
दांत
sad.
निकल जाता ना, दांत ऐसे.
वैसे दांत भी निकल जाते हैं. हाँ.
हाँ, वैसे. What about you guys? Now, Dushaza said Batman. I said Angel. What about you three?
Okay,
I
I'll
would
say.
say James
कोई
Bond.
भी whoever's ready. हाँ.
I would say James Bond any day.
Okay, James Bond.
Yeah.
No, but see, James Bond wears many suits. Which suit in particular? Like I mentioned
So-
black, right? Bhushan mentioned Batman. So which suit? What would you be
I
wearing to a
mentioned-
party?
So the tux,
Which color? Like black, white,
black,
blue, white,
black tux
full black.
on a white shirt. Yeah.
On a white shirt.
Black
okay.
and white.
Fair enough. Good. Namoshi, you?
Well, Nushadar already said Batman, so I'll not repeat Batman. I'll just go with my favorite, all-time favorite TV character, Charlie Harper from Two and a Half Men. I think also I think he's quite a chill guy, and everything about him is very chill. So I think I like the way he dresses up, very
Mm.
beachy, very LA. I like the way Charlie Sheen is in that show.
Chalo, nice. Very good.
Mm.
Okay, one more trick question. Not trick question.
Maddie has
Oh my
answered
God.
it
Arey,
once,
I'm
right?
so sorry. Please, love, continue.
I am confused.
क्या
Sorry,
बोल रहे हो?
I'm confused between two options. If I would like to dress up like somebody on screen and a role like you asked, if I want to play dressed in a certain way, a role, तो वो होगा Paro from Devdas, because I feel that was just beauty at its best. All the jewelry, and हमारे Indian tradition and culture में, we have so much to do with jewelry, the necklaces, the chokers, and the earrings, and the lehengas, and the anarkalis, and everything. I
Correct,
think that is a very beautiful way to dress up.
correct.
And also, I like Emily in Paris. That is more like me, more girly, more in the zone which I like to dress up, like, day to day wear. If I could, I would dress up like that here in Mumbai also. But if I do, people will just look at me as if I've come from some other planet. So, इसीलिए यहाँ पे I have to dress up how I'll be looked upon as a normal human being. But otherwise, if I could dress up every day like Emily, I would dress up like Emily in Paris every day of my life.
Chalo.
So like me.
That's nice. That's nice. Good. तुम लोग ने तो बोल दिया ना, बैटमैन, जेम्स बॉन्ड, एंजल, एमिली फ्रॉम पेरिस, एंड नमोशी said क्या? Who did Namoshi say?
Charlie
Charlie
Harper
Harper.
from
Charlie
One
Harper.
and a half
from
men.
Two and a
Charlie,
Half Men.
Two and a
yeah.
half men.
Yeah, I
Correct,
love that
correct.
character.
Lovely, lovely. Now, another tough question. What is your worst fashion nightmare? Like, ये आपके साथ अगर हो चुका है तो उसके बारे में बताइए. यहाँ पर नहीं हुआ है तो what is your worst nightmare? Like, according to you, that's like the worst thing it can happen to you. And why? What is that? Worst fashion nightmare. See, I throw these curveballs because that's what the podcast is all about. Now, you guys are here, it's fine, but you should see their faces. They become like this. क्या इतना intelligent question क्यों पूछा हमें? Ask us basic questions. But see, I am the all-knowing. I know everything. So that's why I ask these questions. Correct, na, Nusha? You agree, na?
If you're
Bhushan
all
to
knowing,
always
why do you ask them?
I agree.
I ask them because I want to know from you all. I know.
No, I
want to
agree.
खुद ही
know what
बोल
you
दो
know.
खुद ही बोल दो इधर अपन बस
नहीं,
अपना मुंह बताएंगे
it's
they like
called the
Nushada
three
thinks
days.
this
नहीं,
Bhushan
नहीं.
thinks this
It's three Desi Amigos. I will not do that. It's about us three. You know that. हाँ तो बोलो. Whoever is ready, please come up with their worst fashion nightmare, if happened, or which you think should never
Like,
happen.
pants have torn from the seam ऐसा between the legs
ये कब
then
हुआ
what
है?
do you do?
हाँ ना. When is it?
when I,
What if
it's
that
happened
happens?
3 times to me in my life. Once it happened in school, freaking nightmare. ठीक है, that school तो was the worst one only because everyone is like
Damn. Damn. हाँ.
school
Okay.
में तो it's the worst thing only.
Yeah,
but
because
then it's
everybody would
happened.
be laughing at you.
हाँ, obviously. So school का was the worst one. That too, it was in shorts as well. So like,
Damn. Okay.
and then once it happened when I was traveling via train going to college. ठीक है,
Okay.
अभी ट्रेन में भी बैग ऐसे रख के बैठना पड़ा उसके बाद legs closed and all. I'm like, what the hell
My
do I do?
God.
Can you imagine?
Epic.
Okay.
And once it happened, I don't know how it happened, but I just noticed it once after. This was in Spain.
Hmm.
बस it just I noticed it once I got back. I'm like, ये कब फटा? पता भी नहीं चला मुझे. Might have happened while dancing, whatever, clubbing or.
बाप रे.
But like God knows how long people must have seen that rip, and it was a big rip. Like इतना बड़ा rip था पूरा pant पे.
Like
What?
पीछे
down-
पीछे मतलब पूरा ऐसा हो गया.
पटी
नहीं,
पड़ी
it was
हुई।
down my thigh,
अच्छा.
like at the seam.
Okay.
But like it for such a long time it must have been. God knows. So I'm
My
like, ये
God.
सब कब होता है पता नहीं चलता. Now I'm very careful. ठीक है, I barely wear like skinny jeans and stuff. Always wearing baggy stuff. कि like ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए फिर से.
Exactly.
Like if it
exactly.
happens at work and also definitely not.
अरे
Why?
बाप रे.
Oh
नहीं, नहीं,
my
नहीं.
God.
You know, no matter how I feel about you, I would never want that to happen to you. Ever.
हाँ.
Okay. So, what about you guys? What about Bhushan and Maddie?
I think clothing wise, sorry. I don't have anything clothing wise, but jewelry wise, definitely I do have a problem sometimes because कई बार these the accessories which you wear now, earrings and everything, they're so heavy. और वो पहनना पड़ता है, because you want to complete your look. And I believe in getting dolled up and all. तो earrings कई बार पहनने के टाइम पे ना इतनी heavy होती है, and sometimes you can't say no, you have to wear it, if it complements your look. So the earrings are so heavy. एक बार तो मुझे याद है मेरा literally my earlobe यहाँ तक आ चुका है already. I think अगर मैं डेली बेसिस पर पहनना शुरू कर दूं like very heavy earrings and everything ना जो इंडियन आउटफिट्स पे ज्यादा सूट करता है honestly, तो ये फट जाएगा मेरा in no time.
Wow.
तो आई थिंक ये एक चीज है जो मैंने अभी अवॉइड करना शुरू किया है. I've decided कि नहीं ठीक है, it's not necessary that I have to keep wearing these kind of things in order to complete a look. So I started to wear lighter, give my ears a break and wearing lighter jewelry now. So yeah, ये एक थोड़ा सा disaster type का एक हुआ था मेरे साथ.
चलो
I'm
ठीक है.
working on it.
चलो good. Of course. And Bhushan up.
So for me, a fashion nightmare, it's really a nightmare, and I've had that nightmare several times in my dream. Okay.
Oh.
So
Nightmare तो dream में ही होएगा ना दोस्त.
अरे
नहीं,
sorry.
मैं नहीं नहीं यहाँ पे actual situations थी ना. So I'm saying that since you said nightmare, it's actually a nightmare. It has happened to me several times. Okay,
Okay.
but in dreams.
Okay.
So running around without clothes, nobody cares. But I am conscious that
Ah,
कपड़े क्यों नहीं पहने, क्या हो गया, ऐसे कैसे निकल गया types. Running around trying to figure out, get home, wear clothes, and then go.
correct.
So that is one of the worst nightmares. I think I've had nightmares of just dressing up and just forgetting the pants, which fortunately has never happened, and I pray that it
Huh.
never happens.
What if it happens in real life? You're in a hurry, you want to go somewhere, you have to reach.
No, I
And you're
wouldn't
wearing
forget my
your white
pants.
shirt, which you love wearing. And then you
Yeah,
realize, oh my God, my trousers aren't there. So what do you do? ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो?
no, would never happen. It's only nightmare. That is why it's a nightmare.
Exactly. हाँ, वही जो the naked dream, Bhushan's naked dream, we should call it. We should make a podcast on Bhushan's naked dream. That should be
Oh,
another episode.
sounds interesting.
Yeah. No, nobody's going to see it. Nobody. I will not see it. Forget it.
He will definitely not see it. He will make
I-
it, but not see it.
No, I cannot. It's going to be so gross imagining him naked. So no,
Oh my God.
we are not going there. We're not going there. That.
I did. My net had gone for a toss. I hope it was not for a long time.
Guys, he became like that face of mine after Mike Tyson's punch. Pura aise.
Oh my God.
You know.
How mean? How mean?
No. Yes, last episode was about Jake
it was
Paul
a-
versus
I
Mike
know, I
Tyson,
know,
and
I
I was
know, I
talking
know.
about if Mike Tyson hit me, मेरा face ऐसे ही हो जाता, अटक जाता है.
forever.
वही था. Forever,
God.
forever. It would be stuck like that. हाँ. So Namoshi,
An
you know that
imaginable scenario.
yeah. I mean, but I can never knock Mike Tyson out. That's a different
Okay.
story.
Okay.
So Namoshi, what about you? What's your worst fashion nightmare? If it's happened, please tell us. Or if it's not happened, what is it?
Honestly, a lot of people tell me I am a fashion nightmare. So I don't think.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, a lot of women
Okay.
have told me that, by the way, on my face,
Oh,
क्या?
that
oh
you're a
God.
fashion nightmare.
किसने
Really?
बोला
बहुत
ऐसा?
लोगों ने,
किसने
and my
बोला?
reply is always the same. I love you too.
Classic.
It's like how Bhushan and Ushazar keep telling me that they love me so much and I say I love you too. वैसा ही.
Exactly,
हाँ.
exactly.
Yes, I love you.
Exactly.
Nice, correct.
I
correct.
think
मेरा
I
तो
think
हाँ
waking
बोलो.
without boxers would be a nightmare.
Yeah, correct.
Especially if you're not home, that could be a nightmare.
Correct. That is definitely that. For me, I think it happened during the shooting of Jimmy. I have that solo dance in Jimmy, right? Which I'm doing like the Michael Jackson dance. And मैं पूरे mood में हूँ. I'm like, okay, I'm going to like partify this, and it's my solo piece. And it was a one take thing. Dance के बीच में पैंट फट गई. पूरी
ये तो
पैंट
हो
फट
गया।
गई. And उन लोग luckily कैमरा दूर था. I was in a silhouette. but मुझे पता है कि यार मैंने डांस कर रहा हूँ. इतने एनर्जी में डांस मतलब पैंट ही फट गई बीच में से. And I'm still dancing because I didn't want it कि मैं कट वट बोलूं because सर मेरी पैंट फट गई. And then I went to check in the monitor after it was a cut कि यार दिखाई तो नहीं दे रहा है ना. And actually I'll tell you that scene which you see in Jimmy is me dancing with the pant फटा हुआ.
Oh,
तो सोचो.
Oh, they took
Wow.
that take only.
Yeah. Because see, what
Wow.
did I mention? I'm a chameleon, so I covered it.
Wow.
See, the mic drop, Nishazar. This is the mic drop moment of the episode. See,
गिराओ
I
ना
mic
mic.
dropped it. You know what I
That's
mean,
the
right?
quality of an actor.
So, yeah, अभी क्या करे? इतने अच्छे
The
गुण हैं.
show must go on.
Exactly. Always. So now since we are coming to the conclusion of the episode, of course, our special guests, Maddie and Namoshi, tell us honestly, you came to the episode, and of course, we will be coming back in the episodes as well in the future. What is your advice to us when it comes to this podcast? And according to you, what would you like to see more from us? Because we would want to, we want to hear it from you guys. Because you guys are from the entertainment industry. You've been here for so long. You know so much about it. Maddie has done so much of great work. Everybody knows her from, Kavya, from Anupama.
Okay.
Namoshi is coming up with so many amazing projects. So we would like to know about your input for this podcast so that we can improve. Like not me, Bhushan and Mushazar can improve more. Stuff like
Oh.
that. Yeah. So what
So
would
the
it be?
Bhushan and Ushan, मतलब
देखो
that.
रो रहा है वो देखो बादल आ गए. So what would it be according to you?
Be consistent जैसे आप लोग हो ना. Just
Okay.
keep at it because consistency is key.
Okay.
And topics you guys choose very apt and current topics, which are again something very nice. People want to know what's happening and your views on it and everything. Apart from this, I think Abhi, you all have started, there is a lot to talk about. There is a lot to cover. There is a lot more to discover. I mean, every episode, I'm sure you guys are talking about something so new कि you all know कि ठीक है, next episode में we can implement this idea also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I
Exactly.
see Mimo because, of course, I see him doing so many different things and learning so many new kind of techniques when it comes to podcasts. So I think every time there is something new which he's learning and he's doing it all by himself. Both of you are too, of course. So I think बहुत सारी चीजें हैं अपने आप करते करते ना हमको बहुत और कुछ न्यू चीजें डिस्कवर करने का मौका मिलता है. So I think technology nowadays is at its peak. So make the most of it. And what you guys
Thank
are
you.
doing is fantastic. And the best part is that you guys are supremely candid. So that is what matters because it's not easy being candid. Everybody can talk like they have a filter or a mask or something like that. But you guys are just yourself.
So
That's the most difficult thing to achieve.
thank
I
you.
think.
Thank you.
You're
That
doing
really means a lot.
a
Thank you.
great job.
Yes.
But
And
consistent रहना.
thank you. Thank you. And Namoshi, what about
Well, I
you?
think you guys are awesome. You guys are so positive, so entertaining, and so sweet. I think you guys should just continue that, and the topic should be relevant. That's a very good point that Maddie has put up. So I think great going. But before we go, I have two questions for actually for the five of us.
Please
So
ask.
whoever can answer. So what, according to you, is your biggest, like the most risky fashion for you would be what?
Most riskiest fashion for
Outfit.
me. Yeah, for me it would definitely, yeah, because see, जो चुभने वाले जो material होते हैं ना, I can't stand that. For me it's like I
Same.
get like pulverized कि यार मैं कैसे ही पहनूंगा. Like for
Which I
me,
wear almost
हाँ
every second day. I wear
yeah,
those kind of
हाँ आप
outfits.
पहनते हो ना, exactly. So for me it's like for me it's like the worst moment ever. So the riskiest thing would be to wear something like that and go out.
Ah,
जो मेरे से कभी नहीं होगा. That is my answer.
Okay.
हाँ, what
very
about
I
you
would
guys?
say that it is the low waist jeans, scares the shit out of me. I've seen people wear it right, up to the pelvis. It's like,
literally.
भाई पकड़ ले भाई गिर जाएगा.
मतलब any moment गिर जाएगा. हाँ, any
So,
moment. हाँ.
Very risky.
I also see people, flashing their underwears, Calvin Klein and whatnot. So like, भाई पहना अंदर पता है दिखा रहे हो
There is a
मतलब क्या
reason. There
करना
is
क्या
a
चाहते हो?
reason. It's called underwear. कि आप under पहनो उसको, बाहर नहीं.
Exactly.
Like no,
So
they
that
think
is where.
they all think they're Superman. They wear the chaddi
Yeah.
outside. Yeah.
So to me that is extremely risky. ऐसा लगता है कि यार बचा लो, कोई तो बचा लो, रोक लो.
Yeah.
I would never do that.
Exactly. And what about you guys?
So for me, it's like Navashi's, like you said actually, where it's the prickly clothing and stuff
Mm.
doesn't happen. My mother on my birthday had gifted me one shirt that she really liked, okay? But I've worn it once in my life and never again because of that only. And
सही है,
after,
सही.
like when I told her it's very prickly and I don't like it, no, she got mad at me for a week because she like I got this for your birthday and all.
Crazy. Okay.
But like नहीं पहन सकता है because
Yeah.
you wear it and it's just poking. You move, it pokes you. Every time it's so annoying. It's so
True.
frustrating.
True.
Just can't do it. You go mad. It's torture.
Yeah.
I completely feel you in this. Completely. What about you,
What
love? You and Namushi
For
both.
me, I think for me, skinny and super tight clothes. I mean, sometimes girls like wearing those, dummy aisa skinny outfits, which kind of defines your body, all your curves and everything. I mean, okay, fine. We know we all have, our figures which we like to, dress
Show.
up a certain way and everything, which we like to show, maybe flaunt. Fine, but not those skinny outfits. I mean, that's a nightmare for me. I can never wear those because those are so uncomfortable. And uske andar then people wear those corsets and everything to keep their, parts intact. Oh my God, I can't imagine walking out wearing those because you can't even take one step. The outfit is so skinny and so tight, you can barely breathe in it. So, unless it's a requirement on screen, I don't think I can ever pull something like that off.
Crazy. And
Yeah,
Namushi
I
and
mean, I
Bhushan?
agree with my Mimo and Shagar. Those chamkile kapde are not a vibe.
I don't know. कैसे? Like how Maddie does it, I
I
don't know.
went
Like
to watch.
मेरे
My
से
mom
तो
has trained
Yeah, I
me
went to watch a
since
film.
my
I
childhood.
remember many years back to PVR Oberoi, and there was a woman who wore chamkile clothes to the movie. And even when the lights were off, she was still shining.
Good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one. That's a good
So
one.
we were like, who the has not shut the light? And like, oh, that's that woman.
Okay. Damn. Okay. Damn. And so Namoshi also is chamkile. And Bhushan, you?
He said, nah,
Arey, I just told you that
He said na
low
the
waist.
underwear
low
wala
waist
thing.
The
Ah,
jeans
sorry,
which
sorry.
are extremely
I'm sorry.
low waist.
I'm sorry. I thought that's like the first. Okay, Namoshi, your next
Okay,
question. You said
yeah,
two
the
questions,
second
right?
one. Now you guys can be candid. Who, in your opinion, is a fashion disaster? And you cannot take me or Mimo's name.
No, that doesn't mean we are fashion disasters. Just putting it
Well,
out there.
you
इसका
nor
मतलब ये
can
नहीं
we
है.
name Bhushan and
Yeah.
Nushazat because
हाँ,
Maddie obviously is not, so we four can't name each other.
out of question.
Okay. So basically, this question is for none of the people on the episode right now. It's
Yes.
for other
Yes,
people.
and you
Other
can be candid.
Of course, we have to be candid. Acha. Okay, let's think.
And you
Let's think. Who's who?
Abhi,
Namoshi, you
can we
say
say
since you
names
know
out
the
loud?
fashion
question.
disaster, in my opinion, thinking about it.
So Namashi ने ये mention किया था
Nushaza,
that
you
he
can say.
admires.
No. Let Nushaza say.
Kanye's new wife, Bianca Sensori.
Okay.
God knows what the hell she wears. Like,
Okay.
Namashi also must have seen that one image of her just wearing an entire black it's a cloth gimp suit basically with no eye holes, nothing in it.
Okay.
Acha, I've not seen it. Okay. ठीक
What
है,
the hell?
fair enough.
Fair enough.
Fair
She's a disaster only. वो तो कतई है.
Crazy. ठीक है. And what about you guys? Have you thought of anyone?
I was saying that, since Namashi has already mentioned he admires Urfi Javed, Namashi, sorry, but when I look at those reels of Urfi and I feel यार आप छुपा रहे हो कि दिखा रहे हो, so
सही है.
it is like a complete disaster. यार दिखाने तो दिखाओ, छुपाने तो छुपाओ. That too is,
सही है. Either this or either that. क्या कर
Yeah.
रहे हो? Stuff like that. ठीक है. So for you it's that.
I actually
Namoshi,
have
for you,
5
and
of them.
5? अच्छा
Wow.
बताओ कौन है ये 5?
Struggling
He's
to
come
think of
prepped.
one.
Yeah.
I know. That's why he asked the
Okay,
question.
I'm going to give my answer now, but we'll have to chop this. I'd say all my
Okay.
exes.
This is mic drop.
Damn.
Mic drop, bro.
Okay. That's full disco light and all. Yeah.
ये तो करना
Crazy.
पड़ेगा for this one.
Fair enough. No, we don't have to chop it. Yeah, okay. But
Unnecessarily
otherwise,
controversial हो जाएगा मामला.
exactly.
He's not
Ban हो
naming.
जाएगा.
We need not chop it. He's not naming
Ah.
them. That's fine.
He's not naming them, of course.
Acha, so what about
Yeah.
Bhai and Maddie?
Love, what about you?
I'm struggling actually to
You know
think.
what? Honestly, for me, because see, I am out of touch with reality when it comes to fashion and people who wear like different kinds of clothing. So, मेरे लिए, I'm going to be very humble now. I think sometimes it's me only because
Oh
sometimes I
God,
get.
please.
नहीं,
We've
सुनो.
decided we're not going to take our name.
No. See, I
He
can take my
accepted.
name. नहीं, I'm not being a narcissist now. I'm just
इसमें
telling you.
lead नहीं करना है.
नहीं, the
इसमें
point.
lead नहीं करना है.
नहीं,
और
but love,
And it's
Lead.
not live either, so आराम से बोलो.
हाँ, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. नहीं ना, मुझे ये बाद में जाके अपलोड होगा. मुझे अपलोड
But you
करना
can
है
edit ना थोड़ा बहुत. Don't worry.
अरे but I can't edit this way ना. I can't mute the person's name ना. तो वैसे no, but honestly for me, I have never considered anybody like never noticed anyone for their fashion कि यार इसका fashion बहुत बुरा है. I'm not the kind of guy. I'm the kind of guy who's going to go on YouTube and see more podcasting videos because I'm the producer and creator of the show. Hint. But for me, sometimes I think I get very lazy. Like if I want to even go for a movie, I'll just wear a black का वो जो 3/4 मेरे पास है क्या एक black t-shirt and topi. That's it.
Basics, हाँ.
Basic
How
का भी
is that a
basic.
disaster? That's not a disaster.
No,
That is fine.
Yeah.
No, but for me, it's like I will say I'm very lazy sometimes when it comes to dressing up. So I don't take that much
Lazy
of
doesn't
time.
make you a fashion disaster. Lazy is in fact
No,
good.
see, now, as I said, I'm being humble. So for me, it's like I'm admitting these flaws of mine. So that's that way I think because I can't think of a name. I can't think of a name. वैसा नहीं
Even
बोल दे
when
नुशाद
there is
हंस रहा है.
even when there's
Comment section में बता
self-deprecation,
देना
हाँ
when the
ठीक है,
video is up.
fair
If you
enough.
think
हाँ,
of someone.
ठीक है,
even when
fair
there's
enough.
self-deprecation, there is these hints of narcissism that
How
float
is
through.
insulting
I also
myself
sense it.
for deprecation of narcissism? Please tell me that.
Abhi, somebody called
Are
you
the
a
way-
narcissist.
He
What
calls
is
me a
wrong?
narcissist all the time. All the time.
What
He
about
bo-
what was it? What was it, Nushaza? It was something like NPD, right? Something
NPD,
like that.
NPD.
Narcissistic personality disorder. Yeah, I know the full form. Yeah.
Or as
exactly.
Mimo used to say, no problem, dude.
Yeah, like it's like no problem, chill, it's fine. That is my acronym for NPD, stuff like that. And love aapke liye, nobody. You can't think of anyone.
I think if I have to take a name, if I must, Doja Cat sometimes she comes across very
Nice.
very
I
wild.
don't
I
even
don't
know
know
who
who that is. Who
is.
is she?
Oh my God, come on, she's a very famous singer,
Acha,
very
singer.
strong
Okay.
personality,
Okay.
but somehow I don't understand her dressing sense.
Okay. No. Okay.
Now
Now.
remember the meow thing, na?
Okay,
Where
I
was
don't
that?
know.
Which the Grammys? No, some
I don't
award
know.
function. She was dressed as a cat, and
I don't know.
it was quite a
Anyways.
thing. Anyway, so yeah, for me, if I have to take a name, it's hers.
Okay. Now, since you've given me an idea, now since I need to, not be this humble, for me, I think it's more like a category. For me, fashion disaster is people how they dress up in rap songs. I don't get that. I honestly don't get that. With that bandana and that heavy jewelry and wo jo waist
The
pan
diamond
jo
bracelet and the diamond,
Ah.
especially
was
what
it
they do to
was
their
it
teeth.
that
The
was it that
diamond,
डालते हैं ना and
yes,
they those knuckles they wear like this, they
braces.
do this, वो सब ये करते हैं, वो मेरे को
You
समझ में नहीं आता.
you
So
followed John Cena all your life, yaar. What are you saying,
Yeah,
man?
that you describe John Cena thoda bahut.
no, that was John
Except the
Cena.
diamond braces.
That was John Cena before. That was the Thugonomics era. No, that's not counted. But for me, it's the
What?
people how they dress up in rap videos. With the daat and the chashma. Chashma भी gold है, उसमें dollar के signs है. फिर ये है, hard life ऐसा करते हैं और फिर वो पैंट जो गिर रही है नीचे. वो देखो ना, but am I not right? Am I not right?
I agree with
That
that.
is something like I don't understand. Are you selling the song or are you selling your clothes? Because I don't understand this. It just blows my mind. Okay, yaar, rap is something I'll never understand. That way.
Yeah,
So yeah.
I can
So
understand.
so since we are at the final minutes of the episode, what would you like to say to the audience? Please give us a short, goodbye, thank you thing to the audience. What would our special guests say about being on the episode, and what would you like to tell to our viewers and listeners?
Namashi?
Well, like I said, it's a really fun podcast. I loved being here. I wish we spoke for longer. But I would say all the
Yes.
subscribers should definitely subscribe to this channel. This podcast is a lot of fun. And as
Thank you.
now there are a lot of festive things happening like Christmas, New Year. So there'll be a lot more fun topics to discuss. So yeah, I'm looking forward to
Absolutely.
it as well.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. And we hope to see
Thank
you
you.
coming back in the podcast soon.
Yes.
Mhm.
Unless one of my
Thank
exes
you, thank
kills
you.
me after this, I don't.
The high possibility.
Well, that might be possible. And what about you, Love? What is your input on the show, and what would you like to tell to your
Thank you.
fans,
Thank
who are
you.
watching the show?
Yes, thank you to the three of you, firstly, for having me and Namoshi. And like Nama said, it's my first group podcast interview too. And this is not just like a interview kind of interview. I mean, it's like so candid and, really had a great time. I didn't even realize that it's been like, over 40 minutes since we've been
No,
talking?
it's been more than
It's
an
been an
hour
hour
and
and
5
5
More
minutes.
than an hour already?
Yes,
This is the
it's an hour
longest
and 5
episode then.
minutes.
Oh
Yes,
my
yes,
God.
this is, yeah,
Exactly my point. See, I didn't realize it's been so long.
correct.
So I want to tell all the viewers, subscribe and there's so much more you're going to enjoy and there's so much more new things you'll be understanding from the three Desi Amigos. And the three Amigos, so hey, but Desi gives it the twist that you need. So please join this amazing podcast and looking forward to being here again, like
Thank
Namoshi
you.
also said.
Thank you.
And I
Thank you.
really enjoyed being a part of this
Thank you, guys.
beautiful
Thank you.
episode.
And
Thank
before
you.
we wrap it up, I just wanted to say, even our guests came and we spoke about fashion. It's because, see, we always pick up episodes which, as I said, are relatable to all of you, because that's what we want, because we all are all of you. We all are one. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the special guest episode. And of course, fingers crossed, we will be, they will be coming back, and hopefully more guests will be coming in the show in the future as well. But we wanted to start with people who we love very dearly. So I'm very happy that, Maddie and Namoshi came on the show. And of course, I hope that Bhushan and Nushazar also enjoyed their company. Thank you. Thank you for the hearts. So, Bhushan, Nushazar, what would you like to say for our guests? And of course,
See this?
oh, wow, party. Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
So, what would you like to say for the guests, and how would you like to end the show? Please continue.
So it was a pleasure having you all on the podcast. We
Thank
got
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
two very different perspectives in this also. Like we almost got, like we try to go for different perspectives because all of us are very different. And we got 5 different perspectives somewhat in this entire show and all on the topic of fashion, which is nice,
Yeah.
It's
Chalo.
it's a good thing having more people interacting and messing
Exactly.
around with Nemo.
And that's I'm the all-knowing, the all-seeing. That's my new name.
Yes.
Nemo, the all-knowing, the all-seeing. Thank you.
Oh,
So you're
Yes.
Odin,
Yeah, basically.
basically.
Like that with Odin. Like, I'm doing that Anthony Hopkins. Namoshi was in Anthony
Yes,
Hopkins.
yes.
wala. I'm doing that. Huh. And Bhushan, what about
So
you? Sorry,
I
Nushaza,
think
continue. Sorry. You
no,
were
I
saying
was saying it was wonderful having them and all, and we will obviously collaborate again
absolutely.
multiple times.
Absolutely.
Yay.
Absolutely. Thank you. And what about you, Bhushan?
I feel whatever said and done, the first is always very special.
Yeah.
About anything in life. So this is the first episode where we have guests,
Yes.
and it was such a fun episode that like you said, I didn't realize time at all. It was like we're just talking to each other and taking views and sharing opinions. It's amazing, and always happy to see Maddie and Namushi in person and virtually also.
Of course.
So complete pleasure.
So
thank
great.
you.
So thank you all for joining in and tuning in for the Three Desi Amigos podcast. This is me, Mimo, with Bhushan and Nushazar, and our special guests, Maddie and Namushi. Signing off until the next episode. Please keep, giving us your love. Please keep subscribing and liking the episode. And we will be coming back with more future episodes with more guests in the future as well. So thank you so
Yes.
much. Everyone, say goodbye. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye,
Thank
guys.